Hi, friends. The other day, when I was giving a speech, a question came from the audience. The question was, no matter how much I plan for the new year, I fail to achieve my goals by the end. What is the reason? It turns out this is a problem for many people, right? We all plan for the new year. We all set goals in the beginning, but we fail by the end. So what is the problem? The real reason. We fail. The reason we fail is that we try to do more. But in reality, what makes your dreams come true, what helps you achieve your goals, is not doing more. It's actually doing less. Now, this idea may seem contradictory to what society tells us. Society tells us, do more and you will achieve more. But in reality, to achieve more, you should not do more. You have to do less. What does doing less mean? Doing less means focusing only on what is important and removing all the unnecessary distractions from your life. It means giving priority to what truly matters. If you ask yourself, what is important to me in my life? What qualities should I develop to make my life successful? And then focus on those essential things, you will make progress. The main reason we fail to achieve our goals is that our important dreams and ambitions get buried under a pile of unimportant tasks and distractions that do not help us in the long run. The problem with expectations. Another big reason we fail is having too many expectations. Now, it's okay to have expectations. It's okay to have dreams and goals, but it's not okay to have too many expectations. Why? Because when our expectations are too high, there is a huge gap between what we expect and what actually happens. And when we fail to meet these expectations, we become discouraged. We start blaming ourselves. I can't do this. I'm not brave enough. No matter how hard I try, I always fail. And the more we label ourselves as failures, the more we actually fail. The power of moderate expectations. So, what's the solution? Have moderate expectations. I'll share a piece of advice that was given to me when I started preaching. One of my elder monks told me, when you step onto the stage, don't expect to ace the speech and get a standing ovation. But also, don't go in lacking confidence. Instead, have a balanced mindset. Think to yourself, I will do my best. When you have this kind of expectation, failure does not hurt as much. You accept that you are imperfect. You accept that you will make mistakes. And because of that, failure becomes a learning experience rather than a crushing disappointment. Small changes lead to big results. Another important mindset shift is to focus on small changes rather than big ones. Many people ask, how can I change my life in a big way? But the truth is, big changes come from small, consistent changes. For example, if you feel stressed or overwhelmed, instead of trying to solve everything at once, start small. Stand up and clean your surroundings. Take a few deep breaths. Meditate for a few minutes. Change into fresh clothes. These small actions create positive energy, which leads to bigger positive changes in life. This reminds me of a verse from the Dhammapada, where the Buddha says, by degrees, little by little, from moment to moment, a wise man removes his own impurities, just as a goldsmith removes the dross from silver or gold. A goldsmith doesn't clean a block of gold instantly. It takes time and patience. In the same way, we must improve ourselves little by little, every single day. Final thoughts. I recently came across a quote that perfectly sums up this idea. Learn a little, apply a little, improve a little, every single day. Isn't that wonderful? So, I invite all of you to learn a little, apply a little, improve a little, and slowly but surely change your life for the better.